Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML in easy way step by step. Open a plain text editor and create a file called index. HTML so you can practice directly. Begin by typing a basic HTML skeleton with doc type, HTML, head and body tags. Save and open your file in a browser to confirm it displays. This hands-on start builds confidence and makes the next lessons easier to follow. Focus on the tags that make content readable and meaningful. Start building pages with headings, paragraphs, lists, links, and images with alt text. Try adding semantic tags like header, nav, and footer to organize sections logically. Each small page you create reinforces how browsers interpret HTML. Keep files small and tweak them frequently. Instant feedback from the browser helps you learn faster and keeps practice enjoyable and productive. Once HTML feels comfortable, gently introduce CSS to style your pages without overwhelming yourself. Start with color, font, and spacing changes using a linked style sheet so files stay organized. Open developer tools to inspect elements and test CSS edits live, which accelerates learning. Use an editor with live preview to see edits instantly. Small, consistent practice sessions, teaching one concept.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.